Today, we're making a comforting and flavorful moong dal. Save this recipe and give it a try for your next comforting home-cooked meal. Ingredients you need. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup moong dal and 2 tablespoons Mysore dal. Wash and cook with 3 cups of water. Add 1 or 4 teaspoons turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Cook until soft and set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and ghee in a pan. Add chopped chilies and onions. Sauté until the onions turn translucent. Add chopped curry leaves. Sauté for about 1 minute. Add chopped tomato and 1 or 4 tbsp salt. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until slightly softened. Add 1 or 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 or 4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 or 4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 to 4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 or 4 teaspoon garam masala. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add the cooked dal and mix well. Simmer for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally.